Shri Parasakthi Vidyalaya Cbse Class 6th Subject Biology.
Good morning to all. In previous session, you studied food varieties. In this class, you studied food materials and sources of food materials. The food materials are called ingredients. The previous class, you studied a food variety. What is food varieties? Idli, dosa, puri, vada, pongal, etc. What is the ingredients? Any substance or materials that are required to produce a dish are called ingredients. For example, atta flour and water, also add some salt are three ingredients required to make a chapati. That is a food varieties and also ingredients. Okay. Today you see a sources of food. Plants are obtained from food from plant and also animals. Plants are the main sources of food. Food also may be obtained from animals and also plant. Food habits differ according to the place lives in and different season. Food is thus available in different forms. For example, mangoes in summer, strawberries in winter, chapatis are famous in North India, while rice is famous in the south. Food items can be eaten raw or prepared by mixing individual food items. Example, fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw. Dosa, idli and chicken are prepared by mixing food items. So, plant parts and animal product are the main sources of food. Food materials like cereals, pulses, oil, vegetables, spices, tea, coffee and sugar are obtained from plants. Milk, meat, egg, fish and honey are obtained from animals. Okay. Plants and animals are sources of food materials used for preparing a dish. Sources of food. Three types of sources. The first one plant sources, the second one animal sources, the third one other sources. We obtained from food three sources: plant, animal and other sources. Plant sources: vegetables, pulses, spices, cereals, fruit, oils, beverage and sugar. The first one, vegetables. Parts of plants such as root, stem, leaves and flowers which are eaten as food. Turnip, carrot, radish are roots. Onion, ginger, potatoes are underground stem we obtained. Spinach, batura, methi, cabbage are obtained from leaves. Cauliflower and broccoli are obtained from flowers. Can be eaten raw or cooked. They are rich in vitamins and roughage. The second one, pulses. These are plant seeds. It contains proteins. Kidney beans, rajma, pigeon pea, black gram, urad, peas, grams, channa, etc. The third one, spices. Powders are seeds that make our food tasty. For example, asafoetida, red chilies, thyme, turmeric, cumin seed, mustard seed, clove, ginger and coriander are spices. Then fourth one, cereals. food grains produced by crops. For example, wheat, barley, millet, maize, rice, etc. It's a rich source of carbohydrates. These are cereals. Next one, fruits. Mangoes, apples and bananas are fleshy fruits. Walnut and almond are dry fruits. Orange, lemon, amla and citrus fruits. Okay. These are fruits we obtained from fruits. Then sixth one, oil. Most of the oil are obtained by crushing the seeds or the dried fruits of the plants. For example, coconut, mustard, sunflower, soya bean and olive oil. Orange, lemon and amla are the citrus fruit. The next one, beverage. Beverage means you drink coffee and also tea. Any drink other than water. Tea is obtained from the leaves of the tea plant and coffee from the beans of the coffee plant. The last one, sugar. We obtained from sugar cane and sugar beet. Sugar gives us energy to do work. These are plant sources. Okay. The next one, animal sources. We obtained food from animals. The first one, milk. Second one, egg. Third one, honey. Fourth one, meat. Fifth one, fish. The first one, milk. Cows, buffalo and goats are common animals which gives us milk. Then camel also gives milk. Okay. Second one, used to prepare a variety of milk product like curd, cheese, ghee, butter, cream, etc. These are come from milk. Okay. Then second one, egg. Hens and ducks give eggs. Third one, honey. Honeybees collect nectar, that is called sweet juices. It comes from flowers. The sweet nectars convert into honey and store it in their hive. Honey consists of water, sugar, mineral and enzymes. Okay. The fourth one, meat. Main sources are sheep, goat, pig, hen, duck, etc. The fifth one, fish. Rich sources of, you see the picture, these are animal sources, milk, egg, honey, meat, fish also. Then other sources, salt and water. Salt is obtained from seawater. Seawater is evaporated to leave behind salt. The second one is water. Okay, so we see three sources of food. The first one, plant sources. Second one, animal sources. Then third one, other sources. We obtained from food, plant. These are called plant sources. We obtained from animal, we called animal sources. Then other, salt and water. Okay, all are understand? The ingredients of food we eat come from a variety of sources. The common sources are plants and animals. Above the table summarizes the food ingredients of their origins. You prepare a chart like this and write 5 food items and their ingredients and sources. Okay, thank you.